Hello, my CA warriors. Punarvas Jaikumar here. I'm a chartered accountant, passionate trainer. In the last 10 years, I've trained over 15,000 CA students. I am partnering with Unacademy for CA Foundation in this very own 100% English CA Foundation channel by Unacademy. So before we start today's session, my dear friends, I just want to talk to you a couple of minutes about something very important. So please listen in. First of all, please join my Telegram channel. It's called t.me/pjlaw. In this, I'll be giving you a lot of updates. I'll be sharing notes. I'll be sharing quizzes. There'll be a lot of polls, and I will get to interact with each of you. So if you are a CA Foundation student, and if you prefer learning in 100% English, join my Unacademy CA Foundation channel, PJ Law. In Unacademy, we have two very important and interesting subscription packages. The first one is called as Iconic. The second one is called as Plus. There is personal guidance, live classes, weekly tests, proper study planner, study material, expert guidelines, test analysis. All other things will take care. You just study. Rather than you doing everything in life, allow us to do something for you. Everything will take care, and all you need to do, my dear friends, is just study. We have India's best educators on Unacademy, and you should go in for an Unacademy subscription. Sir, let me try out first. Please download the Unacademy app, register yourself, and go through the so many wonderful educators videos that they have put up, so that you can definitely crack it. So two packages. One is called the Plus package. So 24 months package, 12 months package, 6 months package, 3 months package. You can see the rates here. Sir, what is Plus? In CA Foundation subscription called as Plus, you have India's best educators, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. Sir, I want something more. I want a personal coach. I want printed books. No problem, dear friends. You can go for the Iconic subscription. Everything you get the same as the Plus subscription, but two extra things, personal coach and printed books as well. And what is it that is blinking down? If you use my code PJSirLaw, PJSirLaw, you will get 10% discount. Right. So the next concept capsule, my dear friends, would be a very important area called conditions and warranties. What is it called? Conditions and warranties. Let's see. So what are exactly conditions and warranties? Condition, as the word itself suggests, condition is something that you want as a most important part of the contract. It is the most important part of the contract. If that particular condition or the term in the contract is not met, then you would rather not have the contract itself. And if you enter into a contract, you would obviously withdraw from the same because you do not like the terms and conditions. Example, I want to buy a phone. I don't know which phone to buy. I go to the showroom and tell him, sir, very simple, sir. These are the 5 items, 6 items that I want for sure. First one, sir, minimum 8 GB RAM. Nothing less than that. 5 GB, 6 GB, 4 GB, don't show me only. Minimum 8 GB RAM. I need minimum 8 GB RAM, no questions asked. Second, I'll say, sir, the storage should be minimum 128 GB. Nothing less than that. If it is less than that, I don't want. First is 8 GB. Second is 128 GB. Less than that, I don't want only. Don't even ask me. I don't want it. Third, it has to be Android. Please don't give me kidney and all that. Fourth, screen size should be minimum 5.5 inches. Minimum. Right? This is 8 GB RAM. Sir, in this range, I don't care about the brand. Okay, one more. Budget 40K. I'm just telling. In this, sir, you give me whatever you want. These are the conditions. Now tell me, guys. Don't you think so? The shopkeeper should give the best suited product for me? 100% yes. The shopkeeper has to give me the best suited product. The best suited product for this without fail. Let me just change my battery once again. If he doesn't give the best suited product, then gone. He has to give me the best suited product for this. Now, if he asks me the use, I'll say daily use, it is going to be rough use. I want a sturdy phone, sir. I don't know. It is rough use. I'll be using it, quite, frequently. I'm a very, very rough user. It's not that I just use it here and there. I'll be using almost for around 10, 12, 10, 5, 7, 8 hours a day for sure. Rough use. So the question, my dear friends, is when I'm doing this such a rough use and I'm using it so crazily, that person has to give the best suited product. What if he doesn't give the best suited product? He'll give something which is very, very delicate, because I relied on him. I tell him very clearly, I have no knowledge, I have no much knowledge about these, things. You need to guide me, please. I have no knowledge on these things. You need to guide me. So please guide me. So when he is guiding, he gives me a wrong product, which is not suited for daily use. It's a delicate product. Everything, all things are there, but I clearly told it should be for rough use. It doesn't give me. Can I cancel the contract? 100% yes. The most essential element only is missing. Right? Or if my essential element was black color only, don't want any other color, it has to be black. If it doesn't give me the black color one, when I get the delivery on Flipkart, Amazon, etc., or even when I go to that person and he packs something for me, when I open the packing, it is not black. Can I cancel the contract? Yes, because my most important thing was the color in this example. One more example, there was a practical case only. One fellow went to the car dealer and told him, there are so many cars that you guys have, give me the car best suited for campaigning. He was a politician. He said, I want to go through all these villages and do campaigning. Please give me the best suited vehicle for the same. That fellow suggested, yes sir, this is the best suited vehicle and take it. That he suggested some Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce, when you go on village roads, the only thing that is Rolls Royce about it is the tire will detach and roll on 4 different sides. On village roads and all, you cannot drive that car. It's a luxury car. I completely relied on the dealer. Can I go back and sue the dealer? Yes. Can I cancel the contract? Yes. Why? You did not meet my condition. So condition, my dear friends, is the most essential element. On the other hand, in this example only, I'll tell him, sir, color and all, you give me whatever you want, I don't care. Then he gives me some dirty green color. Pakistan green color he gives me. I did not like it. Have you met all the conditions? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have met. I didn't like the color. Can I exchange it if I didn't like it if I want to? Yes. That is called as warranty. The color, my dear friends, was primary or secondary? Color was secondary. Will I get a refund? No refund. But will I get an exchange? Yes, exchange. If you buy on Amazon, etc., there will be a 7-day exchange warranty or money back guarantee. Correct? Money back guarantee is what you didn't like the product only, leave it. That is the part of the deal only. I don't care if you didn't like it, return it back. Money back guarantee is sometimes called as the condition. Money back guarantee is called as the condition. Whereas what is warranty then? Warranty is generally exchange. Money back guarantee is one, other one is exchange. So if I didn't like the color, can I exchange it? Yes. Right? So 8 GB, 128 GB, Android, screen, budget is 40,000, all those things. Best suited for what? Daily use. But color is not my criteria. So if I give you black, whatever, that's okay, no problem. So that is called condition. So guys, what is a warranty? Warranty is not primary to the contract. Color, etc., not primary. Let's say things are not working out to some technical problem. Don't you think so the company will exchange it for you? Yes. Will they give you the money back? No, sir, you bought the product, you liked the product, right? But there are some problems, I will exchange it for you, don't worry. So when they exchange the product for you, that is called as a warranty. So condition is a stipulation which is essential to the main purpose of the contract. Condition is a stipulation which is essential to the main purpose of the contract. Warranty is a stipulation which is collateral. Or secondary to the main purpose of the contract. Condition is a stipulation essential to the main purpose of the contract. Warranty is a stipulation secondary or collateral to the main purpose of the contract. The aggrieved party, that is the person, me, I asked you for that car, you gave me some other random car, can repudiate, that is why I can cancel the contract or claim damages or both in case of breach. The aggrieved party can repudiate the contract or claim damages or both in case of breach. In this case, the aggrieved party can only claim damages in case of breach. Yes, no concept of cancellation of contract. They'll give an exchange. Breach of condition may be treated as breach of warranty. Means what? See, all these 5 items are there, no? this guy gave us 64 GB storage thing. And he told, sir, actually that 128 GB, no? I saw this. I said, hey boss, it's 64 GB. I don't want to take it. So the shopkeeper said, sir, hold on. I understand you gave all these 5 conditions, but sir, in 128 GB, there's a little bit of heating problem. In 64 GB, sir, there's an expandable 64 GB also later. You can expand it. Expandable memory is also there. That you can add one, hard disk later, your card. So that you leave, sir. This 64 GB doesn't have any heating problems, and this 64 GB has better quality than that, sir. Why don't you go for it? So obviously there has been a breach of condition, because my condition was 128 GB internal proper memory. I don't want expandable. Now you are changing that condition and you are trying to explain how the changed condition is better. So now, can I convert that breach of condition into breach of warranty? Because in warranty you can accept it, right? So can I convert that, my dear friends? Yes, it depends on the parties. A breach of condition can be treated as breach of warranty and you can close the deal. Or let's say you did not like the phone, did not meet all your specifications. You say, cancel the money, give my money back. Cancel the order, give my money back. That fellow will say, sir, please don't worry. See, I'll give you one more better product. This is slightly better, 5,000 rupees extra. Now again, I'm converting the breach of condition into breach of warranty because I'm getting a different phone for the same. So breach of condition stated as breach of warranty. Clear? Whereas a breach of warranty cannot be treated as a breach of condition. Breach of warranty cannot be treated as a breach of condition. This was the concept capsule with respect to what, guys? Warranty and condition. Condition is the stipulation. Stipulation means term in the contract. Condition is a stipulation, term in the contract which is essential to the main purpose of the contract. Whereas warranty is a stipulation which is collateral, secondary to the main purpose of the contract. So guys, what are you waiting for? Step number 1, go to Unacademy Learning app. Step number 2, hit install. That's it. That's all you need to do. And go to CA Foundation Plus and check out these 2 subscription plans, Plus and Iconic. I told you the difference. My personal suggestion would be go with the 24 months plan. Why? I'll tell you why. Because with the Iconic subscription, you will get 12 months. There is a combo, guys. CA Foundation and Intermediate. 12 months combo, 24 months combo. If you take the 24 months combo, the good thing is you'll also get time to study Intermediate also. So we have the CA Foundation and Inter combo both in Plus as well as Iconic. And dear friends, there is something called as Unacademy Combat Scholarship Test every Sunday at 12 p.m. Participate in the quiz, and if you get good results, if your rank is 1 to 3, then 4 to 10, 11 to 50 and 51 to 200, amazing scholarships. You're getting 50% off, 25% off. Enroll now. The code would be PJ Sir Law. And dear friends, if you go to my channel on Unacademy, I'll tell you more about it. Before that, as I told you, limited time offer. If you buy for 12 months, you'll get 2 months free. Same for both the Iconic and the Plus subscription. But I would request you go for the 24 months plan because you'll get not only foundation, but also time to finish your CA Inter. Please, please, please guys, follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jaikumar. Please do that. Please follow me. It will help me also. And you obviously can check out all the special classes that I've released. So guys, as I told you, without fail, please follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jaikumar. If you don't know what to do, go to any of my videos and check out the link here. Punarvas Jaikumar Sir's Unacademy profile. Once you click on that, it will take you here where you will see all my followers. You please follow me and you will see my special classes. Free classes. To enter the class, you just need to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want a discount, you have to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want this, you have to just put the code PJ Sir Law. Very, very, very simple, my dear friends. Extremely simple. And also, if you see here, any combo subscription or intermediate plus, and we have the iconic for CA Foundation and intermediate, all you need to do is just pick a plan. And once you say pick a plan, in this referral code, all you need to do is PJ Sir Law and magic. You will get 10% off. So this is all you need to do, my dear friends. Very, very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friends. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon, because any important video released by me or any of the educators on this CA Foundation and Academy English channel, you will get a notification. Please like this video, share it among your friends, and also please leave your comments in the comment section. If you want to watch any special class of mine on the Unacademy platform, the code is PJ Sir Law. If you want to buy any product, the code is PJ Sir Law to get a 10% discount. Please download the Unacademy Learners app, and in the special class you can also get all the notes as well. You can download. On that note, see you until next time, my dear friends. Love you all. Bye, my CA warriors. Cheers.